Okay, so I have 5 minutes to explain to you how to enter SLOs on TrackDat. It is trackdat.elac.edu. You don't have to put that last TrackDat. Put your username and password. Get it from Mona Panchel for Women's PE if you don't have it through Margaret. It should take you to this page, which is our home screen. You want to actually go to Course Plan, would be the next step. And I'm not going to start with yoga. I'm going to start with one I started with a minute ago, tap dance technique. I've only done one thing in here. I like to start by changing the names of the SLOs over here, because you see it was just plain SLO1, SLO2, 2, and 3. I fixed physical already, but let me go back to that. So you hit edit, and I changed this right here. It used to say SLO1, or just SLO or whatever. And I had to put this date in. I'll show you that again later. And then I'm ready to go to means of assessment. Usually you have to add a new assessment. So I entered this information already, and so we're done with that one. So I'm going to go back to course SLOs, and I'm going to click another one, the second one, SLO2. Go to edit, and I want to change this to dance performance rubric. Yes, SLO. We have to put in a date of when the start date. Now, since we started these last year, I just keep putting that. So save changes. We're done with that right there. Then I want to go to means of assessment. So now we're in the performance section. There's nothing here because I haven't done it. No one else has. Add new assessment method. And this category is going to be skill demonstration, one part of it. We're going to have two sections, you'll see. So the first part was the basic one we added before. So I've made little forms, little things that I use again and again. This one, 100% of students, let's use this is the one I want for this means of assessment method. 100% of students will be assessed throughout the semester in relationship to using the components of dance performance rubric. Okay, the benchmark of that is that 75% of the students will achieve an average score level of 3 or 4 on the dance performance rubric. We can fix this at any time. This type of assessment will be done every semester. You have to fill all of these things in for every single SLO and every single class. There's not just one thing, and that's before we get to the assessment results. Okay, so we're done with that one. We're going to return to the course SLOs. And I'm going to stay here with the dance performance rubric because there's another one assessment method that we use for the dance performance rubric, and that one is the actual performance. We decided that this semester that we will do, that's one of our SLOs, and that's the Visions of Dance one down here. And that would be students who have met the standard. Paste that in there. Students who have met the standard based on the components of dance performance will participate in the annual Visions of Dance performance. That should say rubric. I'm going to fix that on my form too. I'm going to have to go back and fix it in every SLO. Oh well. So you see this isn't so typically easy. The benchmark is that 75% of the students will participate in Visions of Dance. Okay, and that's the only benchmark assessment result that we have so far. I'm going to paste that, and I'm done with that. 43 seconds. I'm not going to finish again. This assessment schedule for Visions of Dance is going to be done once during the month of May every year. Save the changes and return. So I'm going to have to make another video. These videos are only 5 minutes. So we're done with dance performance rubric. We can go back to course SLOs. I have 8 seconds. Okay, I'll do another one.